everybody, this is David and Michael here. We're at Riverfront Park in Nashville, Tennessee. We're on our way down to Orlando for the NAAA conference. Excited to go down there, but we stopped because we saw this beautiful bridge and we spent the night here. Nashville is an amazing city. We got approval through Lance to go ahead and fly a little bit just to get some cool images over the river here. You got Nissan Stadium right across the way here. So this is a beautiful spot. We just wanted to get a shot. So enjoy some beautiful video. Okay.